Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Ligaments of uterus. Round ligament. Round ligament helps the uterus to remain in anteverted position. Pubocervical ligament. Second, cardinal ligament or McEnroe ligament or transverse ligament. Third, uterosacral ligament. Pubocervical ligament, cardinal ligament or McEnroe's ligament or transverse ligament, uterosacral ligament. All these three are together called as triradiate ligaments, and these are the main ligaments supporting the uterus. Broad ligament. Broad ligament is a misnomer, not a ligament. Broad ligament does not support the uterus. Broad ligament is a fold of peritoneum with anterior leaf and posterior leaf going over the utero-tubo-ovarian pedicle. Broad ligament.
thank you and thank you for watching.